changing our trajectory from 1975 on. We could have done it gradually using things like carbon taxes and so on. Because economists have delayed it by another half century, we are putting, as a species, 3 to 4 times the pressure on the biosphere. We're not going to do it through market mechanisms. I think the only way we can actually do this is effectively a war-level footing of mode of mobilisation to reverse the amount of carbon we've put into the atmosphere, to drastically reduce our consumption now. That's the mindset we need. And unfortunately, economists are encouraging the mindset instead that says, let's take advantage of these new transport routes through the Arctic.
Yeah. And Steve, just while we've got you, I want to ask about the climate targets of the Paris Accord, you know, the 2 degrees. How much of that is based on the cost to human economic potential versus actual what's going to happen to the environment? Does it mean anything?
Yeah. It doesn't mean anything. We look at the IPCC report, which is written by mainstream economists, the economic section of it. The maximum damage they showed from a 3 or 4 degree increase in temperature was about a 15% fall in GDP. Now, that deliberately and completely ignored the possibility of tipping points. So even the most severe estimate was a trivial underestimate of the damage we expect. So I think we should really throw the economists out completely of this discussion and set the politicians down with the scientists to say, these are the potential outcomes of that much of a change to the biosphere. We are toying with forces far in excess of ones we can actually address.
Steve, it's so good to have your perspective today. We really do appreciate it, and on such an important topic. And Rosanna, thank you for bringing us this story, as always. That is Steve Keen of the University College London.